Okay, on this motorized bicycle project, it's an MX5 SUPERBIKE engine that was attached to this Roadmaster 15-speed bicycle. We were having trouble getting it started, so took it off, took it apart, cleaned all the parts, took the gold off with some stripper, and gonna paint those later. Different color, didn't like the gold. Had to put a new plug wire on it and a new spark plug end. Turned the muffler upside down just so we could mount it on the bench here with a remote gas tank. We're using the throttle off the bicycle. This motor was made back in the 80s, 70s or 80s. It's a 33.6 cc. And the kit that adapted to the bicycle, the entire kit sold for $449.